Welcome back. So it is a great dilemma whenever you are going to decide the objective of the organization. We have different types of objectives for the organization: profit maximization, wealth maximization, managerial utility maximization, growth maximization. And mainly, when you see the profit maximization and wealth maximization, there will be a great conflict between them because generally we feel both are very important for the organization. So only always there will be a conflict between profit maximization and wealth maximization. Out of the different alternative objectives that a business firm is having, they can choose either profit maximization of the organization or else wealth maximization of the organization. So out of these two, which one is good? Which one can be taken as a objective of the organization? So that depends upon the firm capital, and that depends upon the long term long term plan of the organization. So when it comes to the profit maximization, as the term denotes, here the organization main aim was maximizing the profit, maximizing the earnings, and it has been fixed with a particular period of time. That is from here to next 5 years, how much profit has to be earned, that is going to be decided. So how much maximum profit that we can do within these 5 years, that is going to be decided. So profit maximization denotes the maximum profit to be earned by an organization in a given period of time. These profit maximization goals always implies that the investment, financing, dividend decisions of the enterprise and should be oriented to profit maximization. The best benefits of profit maximization was whenever an organization keeps profit maximization as an objective, there are certain merits of profit maximization. First one is it is a best criterion on decision making. So whenever you are going to go for investment decisions, so if the organization objective of profit making, then it will be very easy for the organization or financial manager to take decision. So whenever when you go with wealth maximization or managerial utility maximization or growth maximization, then you may it is not so easy to take a decision. But whenever the company is going to have a objective of profit maximization, then the decision making will become very easy. And also when the organization motive was making profits more, then it can efficiently allocate all the resources. As well as if the organization motive was profit maximization, it can utilize all the resources, men, material, mission, and money at optimum level. So when it comes to the drawbacks of profit maximization is not going to give, and it is going to ignore time value of the money, and it is considered to be as a value conceptually. It ignores the risk factor. It may attempt to make such decisions which may in the long run prove as a disasters. From here to next 5 years, if the organization is having a profit maximization, that won't impact much. But from here to 10 years or 20 years or 50 years, if the organization want to run only with the motive of profit maximization, that may not be suggestible. So it emphasizes in generally on short-term projects only, short-term projects. This profit maximization objective can be kept, can be taken by the organization for short-term projects. In the new business environment, profit maximization is regarded as unrealistic, difficult, inappropriate, and immoral. Because after starting the business, we know that product life cycle consists of introduction, growth. So whenever you go with profit maximization for the new business, profit maximizing is considered to be as a unrealistic, and it is considered to be as a very difficult to get more profits, and it is also considered to be as a inappropriate and immoral. So when it comes to the wealth maximization, the fundamental objective of the wealth maximization is to maximize the market value of the firm's share. so that in long run it will be very useful to the organization if organization goes for wealth maximization. That means the market value of the shares, if organization concentrate on increasing the market value of the firm shares, then it will be benefit for the organization for long run. And it also maximizes the net present value of the course of action of the shareholders. It accounts for the timing and risk of expected benefits. Benefits are measured in terms of cash flows. The main merits of wealth maximization is shareholder interest. So you are giving more preference to your shareholders to get benefited more, and lender or creditor interest. So your stakeholder, lender or creditor, he can get more benefit out of it, and also the workers or the employees will get more benefit of it. So in the wealth maximization, the stakeholders of the organization is going to get benefited, and their interest is going to be considered. By that, the organization can grow very well. It also ensures fair returns to the shareholders. It also build up reserves for growth and expansion. It ensures financial discipline in the management. So that is the reason many organizations nowadays they are going with wealth maximization as a objective. It focuses on long run. It takes into account the time value of the money. It considers the risk. It maintains the marketplace of the shares of the organization. It recognizes the value of regular dividend payments. So these are the major benefits of the wealth maximization. So when you see the differences between profit maximization and wealth maximization, the main objective of the profit maximization is to earn large amount of profits. But when it comes to the wealth maximization, the main objective is to achieve highest market value for the stock. When it comes to the profit maximization, it emphasizes or considered to be as short-term objective of the organization. And when come to the wealth maximization, it emphasizes in long run. Whereas profit maximization is going to ignore the time value of money, and wealth maximization is going to consider the time value of the money. And profit maximization is going to ignore risk and uncertainty, whereas wealth maximization is going to recognize risk and uncertainty. Even profit maximization ignores timing of return, whereas wealth maximization is going to recognize the timing of the return. Thank you. Thank you very much.